smell the fish. It's okay. That's
Just scared me.
if you Okay, are you ready, guys? So I'm gonna be blindfolded, and I get to choose what goes in there, and then I get to drink it afterwards. Wish me luck. Okay, I can't see. Kendrick, Caden, are you ready? Okay, you could choose your first items. Let me know when you're ready. Caden, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, so who do I go for? I'll start off with Kendrick. Choose your next items. Yeah, choose. Like, are you holding something? Okay, so choose your next one. Don't put it in yet. Are you holding something then? Okay, just wait. Caden, are you holding something? Okay. So who should I go for next? Caden, you can put it in there. That laugh. Okay, choose your next one. Caden. My next choice is Caden again. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, have you got your next one?
Yes, I dropped it.
Okay. Who should I go for? Henrik, do you have something nice? You do? Okay, I'll go with you. With the laughs you do, I don't trust you guys.
What the laugh?
The way you're laughing, I don't trust you. Okay. Next person I'll choose is Kendrick.
What?
Okay. My next choice. So how many choices am I doing? I smell fish. Okay, Caden, I choose you. I can smell the fish. Are you done?
Yeah!
Next choice. Caden. Okay, my next choice, I'll go with Kendrick. I don't even hear any liquid in there. That means that it's all, it's all food stuff. Okay. What? Hey, Kendrick, what are you putting in there? What is it? What is it? Okay. Let me know when you're done. You're still not done. Hey. Okay. Kendrick, I'm going to Caden, you're next. Feels like you're getting something from the cup. So are we done?
Yeah! No.
Do you want me to choose some more? Huh? Yeah, I said you should go.
What?
Would I be able to blend this thing?
I think so.
You're done. Are you guys done with your choices? Can I blend it? Is there liquid in there?
No.
Okay, Kaden, I choose you. Put some liquid in there so that I'll be able to blend it.
I'm done.
We are done. So can I blend it? Is it gonna taste nice? Yeah?
Yes.
Can I open my eyes? Wait. Let me get a cup. I can see the chocolate, but I can smell some things that I don't like.
Like
Fish and banana.
I also had the egg.
So would you taste it with me?
Mommy needs to.
Oh, you're gonna try with me? Okay, let me try first. Let me try first. Okay, you stand. Let me try first. Wait. I had some fish. There's some fish somewhere. I can taste some apples. I can smell the.